Hello everyone and welcome to the second video of our series on personal finance. In the first video, we had covered the basic terms that you need to know about and gave you 4 very important tips to manage your money better. So make sure to go check that out. In this video, we will take you through the 7 main types of income sources so that you can identify the one you like the most and start working towards your future accordingly. We have also explained how shares work in the simplest terms towards the end of this video. So make sure to stick around. Do like and share the video so that it can reach more people, and subscribe to our channel with the notification bell on so that you can stay updated on our later videos. Earned income. Earned income is your initial primary source of income. This is the income you get from your job. Income you get by working under someone else. It is this income you will initially use for your savings and setting up passive income sources. Relying less on this over time and more on the other sources is the key. Many of us think it is always long hours of hard work that helps us climb the ladder, but that's not always the case. Your goal should always be to get innovative ideas and strategies to work smart rather than spending more hours. Even if you get promoted, you will earn your financial freedom way later by relying only on this. So diversifying your thinking and income sources is essential, irrespective of your job, so that you have more financial safety, especially during unprecedented times. Profit income. Profit income is earning money by selling a product or a service at a profit by being your own boss. But here's the thing. Ask a good business person about doing business and they will tell you not to do business just for profit. You need to come up with something that you're interested in and people desperately need. Becoming self-employed or an entrepreneur is a difficult road. However, once it is set, the return you get as money and satisfaction makes it worth it. You see many starting small businesses now, like thrift shopping, workshops, and whatnot. Obviously, coming up with something that people need in today's world, where there is someone to satisfy every single want, is not easy. Nevertheless, it is also about how you do it compared to others and keep your customers' trust. So start small to avoid significant losses, but gradually take it a step further. You never know how the tables turn. Interest income. Interest income is lending money to someone else and earning interest regularly. Some examples are interest from savings account, lending to someone else, investing, etc. We'll get to investing at the later part of the video, so stick around. This is a source of passive income which does not require active involvement once the investment is made. Though interest earned is low and grows slower compared to other sources, it is the safest. Rental income. Rental income is investing in something and renting it out to someone else and earning through it. It could be a land or an apartment in big terms. However, in small terms, it could be renting out furniture and books. Say you buy a book for Rs 500, which is in high demand by college students right now. You rent this book for Rs 40 per week. But a new edition gets launched the following year, so students start preferring that more than your book. You may or may not make back that Rs 500. You may think you could have just asked for the book from someone else too. So this is not a quick way to make money, nor is it very promising. Capital gains income. Capital gains income is earned by selling something like luxury goods, houses, real estate properties, etc. at a higher price than what you buy it for. Selling luxury goods has been trending in the recent years. The young generation who understand the market buy branded items such as exclusive shoes from Nike, products from Gucci, Supreme, etc. and sell them at a higher price. The trick is to buy products which are made in less quantity at the retail price and sell them once they are out of stock and in high demand, resulting in higher price. A simple supply-demand concept. These are also known as esoteric investments. Royalty income. Royalty income is the money you get when you let someone use your product, idea, or processes. These are considered your property and cannot be used without your permission if you have licensed them. Each time someone uses it, you charge them royalty. You earn a share of what they earn. This is one of the ways authors and musicians, among others, earn a living. Let's take the example of Harry Potter and Friends. Even though the final episode of Friends was aired in May 2004, the show still runs on TV and OTT platforms for which they still get paid. According to Forbes estimates, the show has generated over 1.4 billion till date. Harry Potter books have sold more than 500 million copies, and of them, 2.6 million copies were sold just between June 2019 and 2020. J.K. Rowling not only earns from the books but also from the movies. She is even richer than the Queen of England. How cool, right? Income from shares. As the name suggests, it is the income you get from the shares you invest in. Now, what are shares? Let me make this simple for you. Suppose someone is building a house and you buy one brick of the 1,000 bricks of the house. You hold a share of one brick and you are an owner, but only partly. So now that you have helped the owner build the house, whenever they make a huge profit, say by holding a big party inside, you get a part of the profit. The value of your brick is lower when there is no or less parties happening. However, its value increases when there is a lot of demand and more parties happening. Now coming to reality, the value of a company's shares rise based on their performance. Some companies even give out extra money to their shareholders if they make more than estimated profits, which are also known as dividends. In the short run, the key is to buy shares when their value is low and sell them when it gets high so that you make a profit. However, it is about studying the stock market regularly, analyzing and visualizing the company's growth in the long run. For a start, it is good to have an experienced person to help you. It is said that an average billionaire has 7 different income sources. But you need not have them all. Pick your income stream one by one and develop them well. Learn about them, keep investing small to gain first-hand experience and see what works for you. Say you have a job, but you also have a passion for baking. So after saving some money, you could start a cake business in your colony or just start it on the side along with your job. Do not do it just for the sake of earning more money. It will only make you sick. Take genuine interest and make time and learn. I hope this sparked some ideas in you to start something right away. In the following video, we will talk about some popular investment strategies such as shares, mutual funds and more. So stay tuned as the jackpot is yet to come. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel with the notification bell on so that you can stay updated on our later videos.